Find it only at Universal Studios.
Somewhere in the past, the time continuum has been disrupted, creating an alternate 2015. Where are we? October 21st, 2015.
You built a time machine? What, a DeLorean?
Things have certainly changed around here.
Whoa, this is heavy. Power laces, all right.
Size adjusting. Fit.
I need to borrow your hoverboard.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Celebrate the Back to the Future 30th anniversary with an all-new trilogy collection.
Precisely on schedule.
Also available for a limited time, the Flux Capacitor Limited Edition Collection, featuring all new extras and a 50-page collectible book.
Bye, Gidget. Hey, Max.
Hey, Gidget.
Any plans today?
Yes, big stuff today, Gidget. I got big plans. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to wait for Katie to come back.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Well, I won't interrupt. I've got a very busy day, too. Here you go. See you later, Chloe.
So long, Mel. Bye, sweet pea. See you, Gino. Bye, buddy.
Bye, everyone.
Be a good boy, Leonard.
Hey, guys! You know what day today is? Special day!
Your favorite dinosaurs are starring in an all-new movie.
Woo! I want to do that again!
The Land Before Time, Journey of the Brave.
Let's go!
Join Littlefoot, Sarah, Ducky, Petrie, and Spike as they set off on an exciting rescue mission.
We'll never make it through. My dad's in trouble. I'm going to the Fire Mountain. I'm going to help him.
Experience the wonder of their latest adventure.
This way!
Filled with fun new friends and sensational new songs, including Look for the Light, performed by Reba McEntire.
Look for the light, one little spot, a little bit of hope to lead you out of the dark. Cheer up, Littlefoot.
Bring home the newest story in the greatest family movie series of all time.
I'm so happy we're all together.
The Land Before Time, Journey of the Brave.